What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing today? Hope you're having a great day today. If you're here for the very first time, smash it, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back, guys. How you guys doing on this winter cold day? Got your coffee? All right, I'm back. Someone requested, asked me to do this a while back, and I've been pretty busy. But I did this before, but I'll do it again. How simple it is to copy and paste ads. And I got a resource, and I think I showed you guys this one before, but it's a free resource that you can use to copy and paste ads. Okay, guys, and I'm going to show you the system where you can get the ads, and then I'm going to show you the place. This is a free place where you can post the ad. All right, so let me show you the system. All right, simple 3-step system so that you can make 100% commissions. Okay, the link is in the description, www.thecopypastemethod.com. Okay, you get started. You pick one of the digital product levels, okay, where you get all your products in your training, where you learn step by step how to do it, okay, where to post. Okay, then you post your ads, okay, and you do that continuously and consistently, and eventually folks will sign up, and that's when you get paid 100% commissions any way you want, member to member. All right, so let's take a look at the system real quick. Okay, unlock our $300 a day copy and paste blueprint. Let me show you the products real quick. All right, let's talk about those levels: the starter level, the elite level, the pro level. All right, at this level, the starter level, you can earn $50 commissions, and this is the training that you get. And you can kind of see, look at the list of them all. Okay, as you go up higher, the $300 level gives you way more training. Okay, way more. All right, so at any rate, you can get started for low as $50 plus a $39 website fee. All right, then the next level is the elite level. It's $150 plus the website fee. As you can see now, you get more training. Now, when you join at that elite level, you still will receive that $50 level. Okay, so now you have 2 levels of incomes. All right, then if you join at the $300 level, you get the $150 and the $50. Okay, so then you have 3 levels, and as you can see right here, you get way more here. Okay, get 200 pre-written ads. So this is where you're going to get your ads and your images. Okay, from here, and you get step-by-step training on how to do it. Very simple. If you can copy and paste, you got a smartphone, you can do this. But it comes with a lot of training. Okay, 7-day action plan, winning mindset formula, social media, if you want to do this on social media as well. But the one I'm going to show you is not social media, it's a classified ad website. But this one shows you how to do it with Facebook groups. They give you all the Facebook groups to post in, 100 Facebook groups. Okay, a lot of information. It tells you how to set up your funnel, okay, your sales funnel, and you get 30-day email follow-up emails that you can put in your autoresponder. Now I have a third-party one that I'll put the link in the description on that. But this video is really just to show you this system is where you get all the training in your ads, and this is how you earn your commissions through this system. But I'm just going to show you where you can post free ads. All right, so let's take a look at that. Okay, let me show you. I'm gonna go to my members area here and show you where you get your ads. Once you get access to the system, first of all, once you make your payment, I receive my commission. I'll be notified, and I'm going to send you a welcome email with the link so that you can get started. Okay, go ahead and get in your back office Now it's going to take a day or two to get your website created because it's coded to you. Okay, you're going to have to send your links to the admin as far as how you want to get paid. Okay, so that they can create your page. All right, but meanwhile you can get into the back office. All right, so let's take a look at the members area. Okay, in this members area, as you can see, I'm in the members area. It says I have 200 high converting ads, okay, plus social media posts. So I have images as well, okay. So I'm going to go in here, I'm going to get an ad out of here, and I'm going to go to the classified website and show you guys just how simple it is to post. Okay, here is the classified ad site, quickad.com. Go there, create you an account, and see right here it says post a free ad. Now I went ahead and just did one just real quick for sake of the video. But all you do, guys, is you click right here, okay, post free ad, okay, and then once it comes up, what area do you want to post it in? Okay, so I selected Phoenix, Arizona, making money and business opportunity. And all I did is I went over here to this system, ready to generate 150, and be showing you how simple it is. See right here, ready to generate 150, the exact information I posted here. I changed a few words here, and then I put this, I just made this this little link here. Watch this video for the details. All right, and then I also took one of the images from there, all right, and I put it in there as well. It's very, very simple. All right, so let's see here. Let's post one. Show you guys how simple it is. Let's say we want North Carolina, Charlotte. We want the category making money, business opportunity. I'm gonna do the same thing, just showing you how simple it is, right? I'm gonna use this right here. I'm gonna go back over here and I'm gonna paste this here, right? And then I'm gonna put I'm gonna change this right here just a little bit bigger. Same info. This is how simple this is. Copy paste. You literally can do this from your phone. Okay, I'm just on the computer doing it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna paste that in there. Oh, whoa. Let's see here what's happening. Hang on one second. Okay, and I'm just showing you how, you know, simple it is to do that. So you have is exact copy. I don't want to show the email. I'm gonna come down and I'm gonna fill this in real quick. Hang on. Okay, then when you come down further and it asks you, do you want to upload any images? You can upload up to 10 images. Again, this is a free ad. So I'm gonna click choose file, and hang on a second. Okay, so I uploaded this image that I had saved on my computer, but this is one of the images from this training. Okay. Alright, so you can actually just put something here. I put something here, but I'm just gonna overlook that. I just want to keep this moving. But anyway, I copy pasted it, right? Got the image, copy pasted it. Now let's keep it. Now you come here, you click continue. This is really simple. Look, done. Post a free ad. Your ad has been posted and is now active. Okay, that's it, guys. Just that simple. Let's take a look. Let's see if we can find it. Hang on a second. There it is. Okay, I went all the way down. Because the free ad is at the bottom here. There's the ad. Okay, just that simple. So go check this out. Go get this training. The link is in the description. www.thecopypastemethod.com. Okay, then go to that website. Quick Ads. Let me show it to you again. quickad.com. Okay, go there, post your free ad, and you can post in all those cities. You can also post a banner ad, guys. Okay, so another way to start making money using a free method. Okay, so it's a lot of this out here. When you get started with me, I will have a one-on-one with you and be happy to share some of these places that you can post and some of the strategies that you can use to start making money online. All right, so go check that link out. Don't forget to smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, guys, be safe out there. Stay warm. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.